Okay, good morning everyone. So today we got a Suhr coming in for a pro setup. This guitar has been set up before by me a few years back. Right now it's just maintenance work. Yeah, so follow through with the video. I see you at the end. Take care. Bye. Okay, that's all for today. If you like the content, don't forget to subscribe. I have a lot more coming in to post out. So just stay tuned. If you want to contact me, you can contact me via WhatsApp 841899951. Hope to see you soon. Bye.